For weeks now, we've been seeing that the monsoon session of Parliament has been completely washed out because of protests, chaos and ruckus by the opposition. Yesterday in the Lok Sabha, we saw consensus on the OBC bill and expect that to happen today in the Rajya Sabha because the opposition and the government are finally seeing eye to eye on this piece of legislation. This is the 127th Constitution Amendment Bill that seeks to restore states' power to draw up their own OBC list, and it's going to be tabled in the Rajya Sabha today. Chaotic scenes were witnessed in the Lok Sabha. During the debate on the bill, the opposition stormed the well of Lok Sabha. But it also saw a rare show of unity because you saw both treasury benches and the opposition coming together in support of the bill, that the vote was fully overwhelmingly in support of this bill. Rajya Sabha yesterday witnessed unruly scenes during a discussion on the farmers' issue. The upper house of the parliament is likely to finally see an orderly debate on the OBC bill today because the opposition is going to be backing the government. Now, it'll be interesting to see how things play out. But the reason you're seeing everyone coming on board for this bill is because it seeks to restore the power of states to name backward classes, the power which was with the centre after the Constitution's 102nd Amendment back in 2018. And let me just break down for you what the OBC bill is all about and why the opposition finally is in agreement with the centre on this piece of legislation. It's a 127th Constitution Amendment Bill that's already been passed in the Lok Sabha. It essentially seeks to restore the power of the states to go ahead and name the backward classes in their states, and not the centre, but the states will decide that. There was a 2018 law by similarly a constitution amendment that gave power to the centre to go ahead and make the OBC list. This bill, if passed in the Rajya Sabha, will change that. It will also, interestingly, undo a Supreme Court order on May 5th, which removed and nixed Maratha quota. And this will give the power to the Maharashtra government to bring back Maratha quota, which is why Shiv Sena, Congress, all of them are on board. And what we've seen is a rare show of unity, unanimity between the centre and the opposition, which ensured smooth passage in the Lok Sabha, and expect the same to happen today in the Rajya Sabha, that all parties are on board and will allow a detailed debate to happen on the OBC bill. Now, in Parliament yesterday, we saw chaotic scenes. Yes, in the Lok Sabha, there was a debate, a proper one on the OBC bill, but there were scenes of chaos. And in the Rajya Sabha, unprecedented scenes. This is the symbol of democracy. But we saw perhaps the most unparliamentary behaviour happening as one MP even stood up on the table and threw files at the Rajya Sabha chair.
Hooliganism, sloganeering, pandemonium, hurling the rule book at the chairperson, shouting from the top of a table. Don't look away, viewers. This is our temple of democracy. These are the politicians we have trusted our lives with. And the man on the table is Congress MP Pratap Singh Bajwa. They demand a discussion on Snoopgate and repeal of 3 farm laws.
ये सरकार अंधी हो चुकी है और मैं किसान भाइयों को इस बात की विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं, आप अपनी जंग बाहर जारी रखो, हम अपनी जंग सारी ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज और विशेष तौर इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस आपकी जंग पार्लियामेंट के फ्लोर पर लड़ेंगे.
The BJP is calling the ruckus an insult to democracy.
जैसे ही बहस प्रारंभ ये कोर्ता मांग करते हैं कि कृषि कानूनों पर चर्चा हो, और जब चर्चा होने लगी तो टेबल पर चढ़कर फाइल फेंकने लगे. ये बहुत ही दुखद है और बहुत ही अपमानजनक है, और ये केवल संसद का अपमान नहीं, इस देश की जनता का अपमान है.
It's been 21 days since the monsoon session of Parliament started. The opposition has accused the centre of blocking debates on farm laws and Pegasus hacking.
इसलिए हम लोगों ने विरोध किया कि चर्चा बार बार कराने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. चर्चा कराइए बिल की वापसी के ऊपर. ये तीनों काला कानून वापस कैसे होगा, चर्चा इस बात की होनी चाहिए.
The BJP claims they are ready to have a discussion but blames the opposition for the lack of debate.
जितना इनका बजट था उससे ज्यादा तो किसानों के खाते में मोदी जी की सरकार डाल चुकी है। ये किसान विरोधी हैं और पिछले 2 दशक में जितने भी आयोग बने सबकी रिकमेंडेशंस के आधार पर ये बिल बनाए गए हैं कृषि सुधार।
संसद सड़क पर बैठे हमारे किसानों की पीड़ा नहीं समझ रही है ना, यानी कि संसद की गरिमा का सत्ता प्रतिष्ठान को ख्याल नहीं है।
Now consider this. Each minute of running parliament costs 2,50,000 rupees. Every wasted hour is 1,50 lakh rupees down the drain. While no one questions the opposition's right to ask questions, the methods employed by the opposition are certainly questionable. Bureau Report, India Today.